I could spend my life with, even before all the famous people screaming your name. I was there, and you were my baby.
Shoes are getting wet.
Holy Chicago.
Loaded here. Well, while you get that ready to go, let's check traffic. Let's go to Katie London, who's got an eye on, I guess we're boating on the roads now.
Yeah, we are seeing a couple of boats out there, but this is not the time to get
We're here is just 2 hours north. We kind of ride out, but as we make our way farther south, we've got to watch until 2 a.m. It does include, of course, Harris County, and we're still looking at plenty of flash flood warnings that stay with us here as we make our way into the next 10.
Oh my god, my high school is down the road that way. Holy Chicago.
Walk right there. You can fucking practice baseball right there.
Oh my gosh. Look, they got a little boat thing right there in the back of this truck right here in front of us. It is August the 28th, and we are still pretty flooded. Goodness gracious.
You know what we did? Put up the paper clip.
It's 11:05 Monday, August the 28th, and we are still getting rain out here. I feel like a weather broadcaster. And they say that Harvey is gonna go back into the water and then come back to his. Hey guys, it's Joanna. Welcome back to our channel. There's Robert over there. Say hey, Rob.
Hey. I'm tired. I haven't had anything.
So we're doing another weather update. I know I haven't really properly came up on here and said, you know, my introduction. I just kind of showed y'all what's been going on day by day. So right now we're currently, what's today?
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, August the 29th, 1:05 p.m. And right now we're in Pasadena, Texas. We came to go get some Chick-fil-A. We're in a huge line, like huge, wrapped up all the way back there. So what the hell's wrong with you? As soon as that point you went.
I'm tired.
And the water seems to be going down. It was really ugly yesterday and the day before. And yeah, Robert went to the George R. Brown Center earlier today to pick up an aunt who was stuck at the shelter. How was it? Did you go inside the shelter at all?
No, I was outside.
How was it outside? Was there was a
lot of cops. There's a lot of people.
There's a lot of cops and people?
Mm-hmm. That people were just getting dropped off. People were bringing their animals and shit. I guess you could take your animals there, I think. Like, they'll take care of them.
Wow.
But yeah, it was terrible.
What was your aunts and uncles and cousins' reactions? Were they crying when they got in here? In the car with you? Were they relieved?
Yeah, more like they were finally trying to get some sleep because they weren't able to sleep.
Yeah, they were saying that I would assume that they felt uncomfortable sleeping because...
Yeah, they had no food. Like, people were fighting for food. That's what she was saying.
People were fighting for food? Hold on.
Yeah, because there was no food.
People were fighting for food?
Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah, the Salvation Army.
Yeah, there you go, that.
Well, aren't they supposed to be giving out food? Isn't that what they do?
Yeah,
but how
there
did
was
they
limited food because it's like...
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at this line.
I have not ate anything. But at least we're fortunate enough to at least have some food at home. Yeah. And actually, our houses didn't get flooded at all, like from inside.
Yeah, I know. I gotta say, because I've been like so freaking bored at my house. Like, I've been going crazy in my house, and you know, you just feel trapped up. You know what I mean? Like, you can't breathe in your house, and whenever you have so many people in your house, it's just like it's overwhelming. But I want to take a moment to thank God that I even have a house, because a lot of people lost their house, lost everything, their important documents, their pictures, their family heirlooms, their family members, their dogs, their cats. Like, I just want to say that I'm grateful, you know, for still having my house.
Alright, cover.
What do you want to say?
Same. Like, I know that some people that like lost family members, they lost things and like cars and shit. But I'm kind of fortunate that like we still have like our house and like still a roof over our head.
What were you saying? God bless the people. What?
Oh yeah, they lost other stuff. Like, and a lot of them are staying positive. They're helping each other out, and that's what Houston is. Like, we help each other out.
Yes, preach, preach. Because you know, some of the earlier videos, shots that I have, you'll see it later on in the video. I don't know how I'm gonna have it set up. I don't know if I'm gonna put the videos first or this intro
you mean
first.
How I'm gonna do it?
I'm sorry, how Robert is gonna do it. You're not even pointing it at me.
Yeah, I am. It is.
And whenever we saw the bayou and how it filled up to our streets, the only thing I could want to do is help. I want to help those. I want to see if they're drowning. I want to see if they're stuck. I just, you know, and seeing our neighbors helping each other out. Hey, you need some milk? Hey, you need some, you know, this and that. Like, are you good? Do you need a place to stay? Like, that is what Texas is about. That is what Houston's about. And seeing everybody with their boats coming in, pitching in to help. They don't even have to do it. They want to do it out of the kindness of their heart. And seeing so many people that want to help Houston out and help Texas and help Corpus Christi and Rockport and everybody, it's just such a beautiful thing. I mean, we have Kevin Hart donating, we have The Rock donating, we have Travis Scott, and I think Beyonce's donating, and all the Texas teams, Astros, the Texans, the Rockets, like everybody's pitching in to help us. Even people that aren't even from Houston, that want to see us be great and stay great, you know. And like nothing like race, politics, like fucking religious views is not gonna change the fact that we're gonna help each other out, and that's a beautiful thing to see. They got a fire truck, and there's a FedEx underwater in between those trees. The bayou is coming up.
What happened?
There's a FedEx in the middle of the
What do you mean the FedEx? Like a FedEx truck?
Yes, you don't see it? Right behind the... You don't see it behind the freaking firefighter truck? You don't see it. Look through the camera.
Oh, I'm going, oh shit.
You still don't see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh my god. Fucking asshole boss probably made him go to work. Look at that shit. All those trucks stuck.
Did he fall inside or what?
I don't know. I can't see what's going on. There's some rescue people with the life vest. Jesus Christ.
Has not been open.
We have to get fast food because all of the grocery stores are out of water, out of milk,
They're out of meat too.
out of bread, out of meat. Like, we are starving here, and I feel so bad for the people that truly need it. Like, we have some food, but we have a lot of people. I feel like I'm pointing it at the AC and you can't hear me. We have a lot of people in our house, so that food is not gonna last that long. We barely have like maybe a pack and a half of water. So, what?
24 pack?
Yeah, we barely have like a 24 pack. So we're gonna see, hopefully we can find like a Salvation Army, or hopefully Salvation's Army go through the neighborhoods and provide some food for us, because we have to fight to get food. We really do. And there's been a lot of, like, not me in general, like, you have to be there so fucking early. You have to be at the front of the line. Like, people are fighting and shoving. Here, hold this. Light's mine.
What's up? I've not cut my hair in a while, and I can't because the barbershop closed.
Okay, so as you saw, the flooding is so disastrous here in Houston and Pasadena and all these other Texas areas. And pray for us, you guys. Keep us in our I can't speak today.
Keep us in your prayers.
Keep us in your prayers, and keep those in your prayers that the ones that had to evacuate, had to seek shelter. Their houses are gone, their families are gone. As you saw, that was a horrific sight for us to see the FedEx underwater. Like, that is so close to our high school. It's literally the same block, and it's like, it's heartbreaking to see that happening to our city. So yeah, that's gonna be our updates to the Harvey flood. We're gonna keep y'all posted as much as we can, but that's it for this video. Yeah, if you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And please donate to the Red Cross. Help out as much as you can. And we will see you in our next video, you guys. Pray for us. Bye.